So guys, on this video, I will show you how you can sell your Bitcoin or your crypto asset from Coinbase into your Euro wallet or into your USD wallet. From there, you can transfer it into your bank account. So let me show you. The first method is that you are going to pay a lot of fee, but the second method, you are going to pay a penny. So just keep on watching, guys. You are going to enjoy this video. All I just want from you, leave me a comment in the comment section below if you have any question in mind or if you find any area difficult or confusing. So the first thing you have to do, click on buy and sell. So once you click on buy and sell, you will see buy and sell button and convert. Click on sell because we are trying to sell our crypto asset into our Euro wallet. Here I'm going to click on select the crypto asset you want to sell from. You can select any one you want to sell from here. I want to sell USDT. I'll click on that, and here I'll select sell all. So once I click on that, you are going to see the current balance I have on my USDT account is 79 euros and 17 cents. But you can see that Coinbase is charging me here, charging me a lot of fee, which is $2.99, which is a lot, which is, you can see here, which is in euros, 2 euros and 99 cents, which is a lot. I don't want to pay this fee. That is why I want to show you the second way that you can use to sell this money into your Euro wallet. From your Euro wallet, you cannot transfer it into your bank account. So let us go back. So how to do this, your crypto asset into USDT. To convert it, like I said, is very simple. Just click on sell and click on convert. You can convert your crypto asset from that one that you have into USDT. If you have done that, then you can follow this method I will show you now. Click on trade. Once you click on trade here, click on advanced trade at the top here. But you need to make sure you click on advanced trade here. So once you are on advanced trade, scroll down and click on this section where it says USD Euro. You can see where it says USDT Euros. Make sure you click on that. Your own, it might be USDT dollars. It can be USDT dollars on your own. Mine is in Euro because I'm in Europe. So what we have to do here now, we are going to wait for this page to open properly. So as you can see, this is a trading page, which is the analysis of the market, what is going on the market here. But don't pay attention on this area. Where you're going to pay attention is this section where it says buy and sell. So what we have to do now is to click on sell. So once we click on sell here, click on market because we want to sell our USDT on the market price. So what you have to do is to drag this to the end. Just drag this to the end. You can see I've been converted into euro, which is now 79 euros and 30 something cents here. And you can see that the fee here is 79 cents. But remember, we are paying directly from, if you remember, Coinbase was charging us $2.99. As you can see now, when we sell it from the advanced mode, we are now paying just 79 cents for just. So what I need to do now, you can see the fee and you can see average price here, which is the market price here, estimate. And all I just need to do here now is to click on sell. At the bottom here, you see the amount you are trying to sell, the current price you have in your Euro wallet. So me now, I will click on the section where it said sell. So once I click on sell successfully, the money have been converted. So when I go to my home page here, if I go to my home page and I click on my asset, if I click on my asset, if we go and check the balance on my Euro wallet, you will see that my Euro balance have increased. You can see my Euro balance now is $89.60. So that is it, guys. That is how you can sell your crypto asset from the advanced mode for 100% free, like a penny transaction fee. So that is it, guys. I will say thank you. Only what I will ask from you right now is to leave me a like, share this video with your friend, and just leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. See you on my next upcoming video. You can watch this video about how you can make money with affiliate marketing, how I made $152 online for 100% free.